Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful yoke for a preemie baby, which is very easy and beautiful. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very quickly. I have given all the measurements and the stitch counts. So watch the tutorial till the end of this video. If you have any suggestions or opinions, you can mention it in the comment section. And if you are watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon. So whenever I upload new video, you will get the notification. And you can follow me in the Instagram as well, the same name, Shaisa's Crochet. I'll the link below in the description box. So we'll start the project. For this project, I have taken here double knitting yarn. The brand name is DMC Knitty for extra value. It has 100 gram in it, and the color shade for this is 961. The hook size they recommend is 4 mm, but I'm going to use here 3.5 mm hook size. We'll start this project with the slip knot, and then we'll make the chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 56 57 58 59 60. Here we got 60 chains. Now I'm going to add 2 more chains, 1 2, yarn over, enter the 5th chain from the hook, 1 2 3 4 5, into the 5th we'll make 1 double crochet. So this is our second double crochet. The first 3 chains also we will consider as a double crochet. So this is our second double crochet, and then into the next 1 double crochet, third one, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then we'll make chain 1, yarn over, and to the next we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, chain 1, into the next 1 double crochet, 2 17 18 19 and 20. Again let's make chain 1, yarn over, into the next we'll make 1 double crochet, 2 3 7 8 9 and the 10th one here. Again chain 1, and to the next 1 double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the 10th one. So here we made 10 double crochets, 2 4 6 8 10. Again chain 1, into the next 10 double crochets, 2 4 6 8 10, and then chain 1, repeated here 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20, again 10 chains, 1 chain, 2 4 6 8 10 double crochets, again 2 4 6 8 10 double crochets at the last. So here totally we got 60 double crochet stitches. Now let's move to the second row. Turn the project into the very first stitch inside the hook and make 1 single crochet. Inside the hook into the second loop of this single crochet, make 1 more single crochet. This is a double crochet. Yarn over top of this 10 double crochets, we are going to make 1 double crochet. So here the second one, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then here the chain 1 space, yarn over, inside we'll make 1 double crochet, chain 1 again into the same space we'll make 1 double crochet. Now yarn over, here we have 10 more double crochets, so top of each double crochet we are going to make 1 double crochet. 1 2 3 7 8 9 10, and then inside chain 1 space, 1 double crochet, chain 1 again, 1 more double crochet. Now here we have 20 double crochet, so we are going to make 20 double crochets into each double crochet 1 18 19 20, and then inside this chain 1 space, yarn over, 1 double crochet, chain 1 again, inside 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet, 2 3 4 10, and inside 1 double crochet, chain 1 more double crochet, again top of this 10 double crochets we are going to make 1 double crochet. 1 2 3 9, and into the last here under this 2 loop inside the hook and make 1 double crochet. So in this round we got totally 68 double crochet stitches. For the first round we had 60 double crochet stitches, so 10 here, 10 20 10 10, and then when we reach the second round we got here 11 double crochet stitches here, and here 12 double crochet, and this center we got 22, here 12, and then here 11 double crochet stitches for the round 2. Now we are going to turn the project, and then inside the hook into the very first double crochet, make single crochet, and then into the second loop of this double crochet make 1 more single crochet, yarn over, top of this 11 double crochets. Here we have 11 double crochets from this to here, just before this chain 1 space till there we have 11 double crochet stitches. So we are going to make top of this 11 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5, and the 11th one, yarn over the 11th one. Now we got here the chain 1 space, yarn over, inside the hook into this make 1 double crochet, chain 1 again into this 1 double crochet, and then here we have 12 double crochets. So let's make top of each double crochet 1 double crochet. 1 2 10 11, and the 12th one. Now we got here chain 1 space, yarn over, inside 1 double crochet, chain 1 again 1 double crochet, and then in this portion we have here 22 double crochets. So we are going to make 22 double crochets top of this. 1 2 3 17 18 19 20 21 22, and then inside this chain 1 space 1 double crochet, chain 1 1 double crochet. Again we have here 12 double crochets, so let's make 12 double crochet top of each double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Then inside this chain 1 space 1 double crochet, chain 1, again 1 more double crochet, yarn over. Here we have 11 double crochets, so top of this we are going to make 11 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the last one it is here, so 11 double crochets we got. So in this round 3 we got totally 76 double crochet stitches. Now we are going to make into each stitch 1 double crochet. So in this round we have 12 double crochet. Let's make top of this 12 double crochet. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and the 12th one. Yarn over, inside chain 1 space 1 double crochet, chain 1, again 1 more double crochet. Here I have finished totally 7 rounds of the same pattern. We started with the 60 double crochet stitches. Now at the 7th round we have 108 double crochet stitches altogether. The first row in this first part we had 10 double crochet, 10 double crochet, 20 double crochet, 10 10, and then it became 11 12 13 14 15 16. Here 20 22 24 26 28 30 32 14 15 16. This size is suitable for the preemie baby. So it has, for the armhole, here we have 4 inches, and for the neckline totally we have here 14 inches. So this size is enough for the preemie baby. So I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Let's make here one chain, and then we'll tie this here. I'm going to hide this yarn into this like this.